Zen has a problem. He earns a good salary, but his wealth increase नहीं होती. His advisor suggested him to invest in mutual funds. क्या invest करने से Zen की wealth grow होगी? Yes. And that's what we call the power of compounding. Zen decides to invest rupees 5,000 every month in a mutual fund. The first few months, he checks the app and nothing seems to happen. मतलब कि कुछ उसको profit नहीं दिख रहा था. And ये सोचता था कि अब 5,000 रुपए मैंने invest करे और 6 महीने में सिर्फ मुझे 500 रुपए profit आया. But here's the thing. The money isn't supposed to explode overnight. It will take time. The secret is compound growth. His investment earns profit and that profit also starts earning profit. It's like planting a small tree. First year it grows a little, second year it grows a bit more. And after a few years, it starts giving the fruit every season. अब एक कंपैरिजन करते हैं जैन और दूसरे इन्वेस्टर बिलाल का. जैन हर महीने 5,000 रुपये इन्वेस्ट करता था म्यूचुअल फंड में. उसने 25 साल तक इन्वेस्ट करे और उसको एनुअल रिटर्न 12% मिलता था. उसने पूरे 25 साल में 15 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट करे और उसकी फाइनल अमाउंट
94 lakhs.
The other investor who thinks कि मैं बाद में इन्वेस्ट कर लूंगा starts 10 years later with the same amount 5,000 रुपए per month. अब उसके 10 साल बाद इन्वेस्ट करने के वजह से सेम रिटर्न सेम कंट्रीब्यूशन पे उसकी फाइनल अमाउंट
25 lakhs.
If we compare both, 25 साल बाद Zen की savings massive थी as compared to Bilal, where they were significantly smaller. Time is a multiplier here. Not the salary, not the love. Think of it like Zen spends 1,000 rupees on coffee daily. If instead he invested the rupees 1,000 in a mutual fund and let it grow for 20 years or something, उसकी छोटी छोटी हैबिट उसको लाखों रुपए का फायदा कर सकती हैं. एंड इट इज नॉट अबाउट बहुत बड़ी अमाउंट इन्वेस्ट करने का. अगर छोटे छोटे करके आप पैसे जमा करोगे टाइम के साथ और कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ, इट कुड ग्रो इनटू अ वेरी बिग अमाउंट. सो व्हाट ज़ेन शुड डू एंड आल्सो यू शुड स्टार्ट स्मॉल और अभी से स्टार्ट करो. 2,000 रुपए या 5,000 रुपए whatever works fine with you. Consistent रहना है और Sharia compliant funds में करो. That will give you halal growth and risk shared fairly. Compound growth is slow at first, but after a few years, it becomes unstoppable. Zen finally sees his wealth curve shoot up and he realizes a secret. Time plus consistency equals growth. If you understand this concept, you have understood the core of investing. Start today, start small, let your money work for you in a Sharia compliant way. Zen started today, and so can you.